On today's hot topic, we're going to discuss the menstrual cycle. Now, it's not as scary as it looks, so let's just look at the organs and all the steps involved. Up here, we have the brain with the hypothalamus and pituitary. Over here, we have the female sex organs, including the ovaries, fallopian tubes, and uterus. Now, at the beginning of the cycle, the hypothalamus is going to secrete gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH. That's going to stimulate the pituitary gland to release FSH. FSH stands for follicle-stimulating hormone, and it does just that. It goes to the ovaries, picks a few eggs, and then stimulates follicular growth. That means that the granulosa cells are going to grow all around these eggs, and they're going to start secreting estrogen. Now, estrogen has a lot of functions in women's bodies, but one of them is the growth of the endometrium, that inner lining of the uterus. So, as we create more estrogen, this inner lining grows, and then as estrogen peaks halfway through the cycle, then we're going to have the pituitary gland again release another hormone, this time LH, or luteinizing hormone. This LH spike midway through the cycle is going to cause one of these follicles, the follicle that's the biggest, to ovulate. It's going to release its egg into the fallopian tubes. Now, the follicle that remains behind is now called the corpus luteum, and it also has a job. It's going to start releasing progesterone, and progesterone does just that. It is progestation. That means it's going to sustain a theoretical pregnancy. It's going to keep this endometrium fit for as long as possible. When this corpus luteum dies in 2 weeks, then we stop producing progesterone, and this whole endometrium will be shed with the menstrual cycle. Now, this corpus luteum can survive with a pregnancy. If a pregnancy occurs, the corpus luteum will stick around for longer, create more progesterone, and prevent a period from occurring. Now, all of women's menstrual cycles are not the same, and they don't all follow the cookie-cutter 28-day cycle. That could be totally normal, or there could be some issues with that. So it's always safe to discuss with a practitioner if you have any concerns. Let us know what you think and give us your comments and questions down below.